Z, come here, buddy.
You are worthy to take the scroll and open the seal and open it. For you are slaughtered, and your blood has ransomed people for God, from every tribe and every language and people and nation. And you have caused them to become a kingdom of priests for our God, and they will reign on the earth. You are worthy to take the scroll and break it in seals and open it. For you were slaughtered, and your blood has ransomed people for God, from every tribe and language and people and nation, Lord. And you have caused them to become a kingdom of priests for our God, and they will reign on the earth. You are worthy, God. You are worthy, God. You are worthy, Lord. 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 You are worthy, Lord.